So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. Now, just got this thing in, very excited to check it out. I already cut the plastic on the sides of the box, so let's unbox it. Now, we'll go over some of the specs here in a minute. I want to point out this currently sells for $230, which is very reasonable, especially for buying a new Samsung tablet. Now, the color options on this, you can get it in gray, silver, and pink gold. I've done gray in the past on Samsung tablets, so I went with silver this time around. And as far as what comes with it, we got our little user manual right here. We've got a charger, so pretty basic stuff. I'm actually going to take a look at the user manual before we get the tablet out of the wrapping, but let's just throw the charger to the side. Don't really need it. Looks like a little startup guide. Pretty cool. Okay, but yeah, personally, I don't really need to use this at all. Let's just get it out of this wrapping and see how it looks. Let's see if silver was a good color option. All right, here we go. The unveil, and dang, yeah, this looks nice for sure. I like silver. Okay, camera on it is pretty small. It's not taking up a lot of the space on the back. You've got this Samsung logo in the top left-hand corner. It's got a nice feel. Now the camera on this is 8 megapixels on the back, 5 megapixels on the front, and you can only record in 1080 by 30 frames per second. So there's no 4K video recording on this. Now as far as the screen size on this, it is big. It's 10.5 inches. We are going to power this up and get it started. If I can find the power button. All right, let me lift it up here. All right, there we go. Took me a second. Okay, so you're definitely going to want to stick around because we are going to check out some of the video quality, sound quality, and I'm also going to do some gaming in this unboxing. Okay, so to save some time, I skipped through this startup screen, and the first thing I like to do whenever I get a new device is check out some of the stock wallpapers. So let's see what we got on here, and it looks like we got, what is that, 6 different options. Okay, I'm going to switch it up to this one. It looks pretty slick, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, cool. Okay, now I want to go over the battery size on this as far as, what you can expect. It's got a 7040 mAh non-removable battery. So yeah, you're going to get a really good battery life on this tablet. And you can also get it in 3 different gig sizes, 32, 64, and 128. Now, I just did 32 because it was a little bit cheaper, but I would recommend going with 64. That's really the standard amount, as far as, putting things on anything right now. Okay, first thing I want to do here is check out some of the video quality. I'm going to let this God of War trailer play. I've got this on the loudest volume setting. I'm going to let it run for about a minute. Then we'll do some gameplay on this, but let's do this.
What does this goal mean to you?
Okay, so yeah, watching video on this tablet is definitely awesome. Let's see how it is for gaming. I'm going to throw up a game called Dead Target, play it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to give you just my, closing thoughts on my first impressions for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. Okay, so bottom line here, guys, for the starting price of $230, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is definitely a winner chicken dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.